Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, it is Sunday evening and I need to get things ready for tomorrow. I've got my poor looking, sad looking egg muffin and this is the rutabaga I made this weekend. We'll see how I make it next weekend. I don't know. But it tastes good, so I don't really care how it looks. That's all that matters is what I like. And I know I've got the butternut squash soup. I'm taking that to work. And along with that, I have some ground beef. I don't want to get too sassy with it, too spicy with it. I think I'm just going to use a little bit of the umami seasoning. And some, I just said, I don't want to be too sassy with it. I'm going to put in some Creole seasoning. Alright. And then if it needs more salt, then I can add salt at work. I got salt everywhere I go. So, there's my salt, or my ground beef, butternut squash. Hold up, I need to put it in a baggie. Okay. So, I'm going to take the butternut squash and put it in a Ziploc bag just in case there's any mishaps between here and work. I know it is a screw-on lid, but just get a little worried. Put my egg down and my whatchamacallit in there, and tucked in. Do I need a fork? No, I'll just take a spoon. I think that'll be good. I don't think I need a fork. So there we go. That is my breakfast and lunch. And in the morning, I've got coffee right here. This is the instant coffee and my protein powder and some chocolate electrolytes. Which that reminds me, I need to make some more this weekend. I'm almost out of them. And I do take it to work because sometimes I just want some hot chocolate. But anyway, so I'm gonna leave that out this week so I can remember to make some next weekend. But anyway, so I'll add some hot water to this and figure out which flavoring I want to add to it. So, all right, I will see you in the morning. Bye. Look what I made. So Tuesday, I go to my Red Hats this week and from Valentine's Day. Oh, dang, I forgot to get everything ready. Anyway, and so we are supposed to make like Valentine boxes. And so I did. This is a toilet paper or tissue box. And I've got a red hat. And inside is the box. So, I don't know if you can see down in there. So down in there, I can drop the, I can put in the Valentines. But red hats, you wear something purple on your shoulders and red on your head. So I made a red hat Valentine Day box. Isn't that fun? I don't remember if I showed y'all or not, but I just thought it was fun. So I'll be taking this with me Tuesday. Okay, bye. Hello, I can't guarantee the quality of my videos for a while. I just cracked my screen in 2 places. Now, we have a local place that will fix them, but figuring out the logistics of getting my phone there and back and all that stuff, it might take a couple days. But anyway, in the meantime, here's my breakfast. I've got my egg and then my rutabaga. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. And I'll see you at lunchtime. Bye. Hey, so I wanted to point out, as you saw by my scale this morning, I was up 3 pounds from last week. But, I'm sorry, I was moving the camera, but I know those 3 pounds, it's not that I gained 3 pounds of fat, it's 3 pounds of fluid. You don't gain 3 pounds of fat in a week. So, for those of you who are like me and you step on the scale once a week or so, just
just breathe. Just breathe, you know, it's water weight. And even if some of it's fat, it's okay. It's a whole new week. And yeah, so it's okay. It's going to happen. I've been doing this for 3 years, through 17, 18, 19, 20, no, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, almost 4 years I've been doing it. And it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, and it goes down, down, down. So you just got to step on the scale, take it for what it is. It's just a snapshot of what your weight is for that day. Tomorrow, you may pee out 5 pounds of fluid, and believe me, that has happened. So, yeah, I just want to say, you know, your scale's going to go up and down. That's the nature of our body. It's our hormones, males and females. We have hormones, and that's what causes us to hang on to our fluid. So, yeah, so just breathe when you see your scale go up and keep on trucking on. You know you're doing the right thing for your health, and that's what counts. So, okay, bye. Y'all, I just looked, and there are 1,400 subscribers on my channel. 1,400 people want to know what I'm doing. That's pretty cool. Thank you all. My goodness, 1,400. That's like, that's exciting. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. Okay, back to the food. Sorry, I know we're here for food, not for Terry just to jibber jabber. Okay, bye, but thank you. Okay, so lunch today is my butternut squash. I brought that. I know y'all saw me pack lunch. And I always have my coworkers try stuff, and they said this one was good. So, and then I also have the 5 ounces of ground beef. So, yeah, that's too hot. I'm not going to taste that on camera. Okay, bye.
Hello, it's supper time. I've got 12 ounces of 93% ground beef. And I am going to put some of the G. Hughes ketchup on there. I'm going to do 2 servings, which is 32 grams. Okay. Then I'm going to do some G. Hughes honey mustard. And 1 serving is 30 grams. Okay. So that's that. I'm going to kind of break it up a little bit. And then I've already microwaved it 2 minutes. But the sauces are cold and in the refrigerator. So I am going to pop this in the microwave. So hang on just a second. So for my side, I've got some cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, peppers. I have no idea how to count it. So I'll plug it in. It's 150 grams. I don't know. Maybe I'll plug it in. I don't know what I'll plug it in as. Maybe I won't plug anything in. I gotta do something. My OCD says I gotta do something. Nope. I'm not. This is all those pickled vegetables that were... the vegetables that were in that vinegar that I had made. Well, the onions weren't, and the tomatoes weren't. What are you doing, dog? But anyway, so yeah, that's my side. And there is my main, the ground beef and the sauces. That's pretty hot. I'm not going to take a bite, y'all. Oh, maybe I will. Hang on. Hang on. I don't know why I do it, but I do. I just do. Let me see if I see steam coming off. I'm going to put a little dehydrated garlic down in there with my ground beef. I know you can't see me, but that's what I'm doing. I'm going to put some of my everything bagel seasoning and a little bit of the Greek seasoning. It was kind of bland. Now let me get that stirred up. Remember, seasonings are your friend. Seasonings make the world go around. Okay. Now, see, that's how it looks now. Okay. Much better. I still don't know what I'm gonna do about these vegetables. It's bugging me, but I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna post nothing. We're gonna pretend it's Saturday, and I'm not posting anything. So we have till March 6th to continue our trying to eat at home as much as possible challenge. Tomorrow I've got the Red Hat ladies for the Valentine. We're all meeting, you know, and so I will be eating out tomorrow, as I say. Don't forget, we're eating at home challenge. Ooh, that looks funny. So anyway, yeah, so tomorrow I've got the Red Hats. So, all right, that's what I know. That's my supper. Bye.